In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your Monday.com groups 5 minutes. Start by logging in to Monday.com and opening the board you want to organize. Think of groups as the big sections on your board that keep everything tidy: project phases, sprints, clients, or teams. A clear group structure makes it easier to find what you need and helps your team stay aligned. There are 3 quick ways to add a new group. The first way is near the top of your board. Look for the New Item or New Task button, click the small arrow next to it, and choose New Group of Items or New Group of Tasks. This instantly creates a blank group right where you're working. The second way is to scroll to the very bottom of your board and click Add New Group. This is handy when you're building out a sequence and want to add the next section at the end. The third way is to hover over any existing group title. You'll see a small arrow or a 3-dot menu. Click that and select Add Group to insert a new section exactly where it belongs. Once your groups are in place, rename and color code them so their purpose is obvious at a glance. Click the group title to rename it and keep names short and consistent, like Backlog, This Week, In Progress, and Done. Use colors intentionally: warm colors for urgent work, cool colors for planning, or whatever your team recognizes quickly. Next, organize the hierarchy. Drag groups up or down to put the most important sections at the top. Many teams keep active work near the top, planning or backlog in the middle, and reference or completed work below. Collapse groups you don't need to see all the time to reduce visual noise and focus on what matters today. Now, move and manage items. Drag items between groups to reflect workflow changes. When a task is ready for the next phase, just drop it into the new group. If you need to move several items, select them together to save time. This keeps your board current without changing item details. Finally, consider setting up optional automations to keep groups in sync with your process. For example, you can use a recipe that moves an item to a different group when a status changes, or shifts items into a weekly group on a set date. Start simple, test with a few items, and expand as your team gets comfortable. That's all you need to structure your groups with confidence. With a clear naming convention, thoughtful colors, and a tidy hierarchy, your Monday.com boards will be easier to navigate and faster for your team to use.